guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is Saturday, August 24th. It is around 1 p.m. I slept over at my friend's house last night. You guys might have seen that vlog. If not, I will insert a card. I went out, Vineyard Vine sent me a package. It was just a crazy awesome day, but I thought it'd be fun to vlog again today. It's my last weekend before school starts. I've got to go back to school shopping a little bit. I just need a few things, but I finished a quick little photo shoot. It's all about how to style like a button-up / Oxford, so it's really fun, super cute. It's just beautiful outside. It's like 80 degrees. It's not too hot, and I also just picked up my car. I had to get new brakes, and yeah, so that is what's going on right now. I'm gonna drive home, probably eat some lunch or something, and then I don't know, we have a filming, I gotta work out, I gotta go to the pool, I need to get some stuff for back to school. It's just gonna be a busy day, and I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along with me. Of course, I have the Jonas Brothers on. I'm a sucker for you. So I am back in my room, I'm at my desk. I'm gonna start editing this vlog that you guys might have already seen by now. It is currently like 1:38, and I found this protein bar. I'm gonna eat this for lunch, and I had an apple, and then I just have a big thing of water. So we're gonna get this done. Just finished editing. I'm so excited. The video is so cute. It's exporting right now, but I changed into this super cute outfit. It's very fall-like. It's still super warm here, but I had to take a picture for my FabFitFun Instagram campaign, and funny enough, they sent me 2 of these boxes, so I could do like a giveaway with some of the duplicates that I got. I also have a ton of different PR packages like makeup and stuff that I've never opened. They're brand new, but I just know I won't use them, and I thought that'd be fun to include in a giveaway. So let me know if you think that would be something fun, something you might be interested in the comments down below, or give this video a big thumbs up, because I'm so curious if I should do that since my back to school giveaway, it did just end. I will be announcing the winner later in this vlog, but I'm just like, I don't know. I feel like that'd be fun just because I don't know what I'm going to do with all the duplicates. I could give it to friends and family, but I'd love to give it back to you guys. And since we're talking about PR packages, I got another one in the mail, and this one might be the funniest PR package that I've ever got, and it's from Quest Nutrition. You guys know I seriously love Quest. It is a like protein bar, protein type food company. Super cool. I buy tons of protein bars from them with my own money. I really do like them. They're great for after a workout, and they sent me this box, and it says it's taco every day, and I was really excited about this because I love Taco Tuesday, but taco every day sounds amazing. So they recently just came out with some new protein chips that are taco flavor. So they have this one. It is chili and lime flavor. I haven't tried this one, but I did try this one. It is the loaded taco protein chip, and you guys, you open this up, it smells like you're eating a taco. It tastes like a taco, but it's in a chip form, and it has 19 grams of protein and 4 net carbs. So this is awesome. I follow a more high protein meal plan, so these are awesome. And it just came with this cute little card. It's like neon. I love the colors, but what's really funny, and it says taco get to the streets, and it came with a purple fanny pack, you guys. I'm gonna put this on the ground. This purple fanny pack that says Quest on it, and it has a little taco pin on it. I am freaking out. I have been looking for a fanny pack all summer, which I know sounds a little crazy, like who needs a fanny pack at 21, but I wanted one for like running outside or riding my bike, and this is awesome. It just has like these little compartments on it. It's so cute, and you can like zip it up, put your headphones through it. I'm so excited. Fanny pack, protein chips. So thank you so much, Quest, and you guys should definitely check them out. I will have them listed down below. But I did get that in the mail this month, which is super exciting. So I just thought we would talk about that since I just mentioned PR packages. I think I might be going to the store to pick up some back to school supplies. I just really need like a notebook and a folder. I don't really know what I need yet because, again, I start this week, so I'm like, I don't really know. I just know I need my computer, my camera, and then something to write with and like take notes and stuff. So I figured we could like run to Target or something. So I just got back from Target. I went there. I didn't go to like the back to school supplies aisle because I just needed a notebook. So I got this super cute like white metallic notebook, and it's kind of like a tinier one, but it's a 2-subject notebook. It's just like not that traditional size. And then I also picked up a pack of mechanical pencils. These are some of my favorite. They're super inexpensive, so I just picked those up in case I needed to toss a few in my bag. So that's what I picked up. a little nervous. It's almost Tuesday already, but we're just gonna go home, change into some workout clothes, hit the gym, then go to the pool, which is at the gym, and then just kind of relax for the rest of the day. Last time I updated you guys, I was leaving Target. I just picked up a new notebook and some pencils for back to school. I started on Tuesday, which is so crazy. I have like 1.5 days left, and it is currently Sunday. Last night after I got home from Target, me and my family went out and we got ice cream just to kind of celebrate the last weekend of summer, because like technically it's like my last weekend before school starts, so it's kind of like the end of summer, even though summer ends next weekend, but you know what I mean. And so we got ice cream, and then I hit the gym, did a quick workout. I usually do an early morning spin class on Saturday, but since my car was in the shop getting new brakes, I was like, I can't go to spin, I don't have a car to get there. So I just did a quick workout in the evening, and then after that I went to the pool, and like my pool's at my gym, so I just sat by the pool, finished making this super cute friendship bracelet. It's like neon colorful. It'll be on Etsy soon. My Etsy is listed down below in case you guys want to check that out. And then I just like came home, cleaned up, and me and my family had dinner, and I just like totally forgot to end the vlog. So, but I do want to share the giveaway winners with you guys. So I had 2 giveaways going on. I had one on Instagram and one on here. So my big back to school supply giveaway that I went to Target, picked up a bunch of stuff. My mom randomly was scrolling through the comments and picked Kayla Robertson. I will put her Instagram handle on here. That's how I contacted her. She followed me on there as well as the extra entry, and she won all the back to school supplies. So I'm super excited to get this in the mail to her, and hopefully it's perfect timing for her starting school. And I just can't thank you guys enough for entering my giveaway and following me along. You guys are seriously so amazing, and don't worry, I have another giveaway planned for this week actually, so that's really exciting. So stay tuned. If you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button. And then also I'm going to have a few more throughout the rest of the year, so definitely stay tuned for that. And then I had a day designer planner giveaway going on Instagram. I talked about it on YouTube, but I wanted to make it Instagram based because that was what day designer requested. So I'm super excited because Laura C, I will put her Instagram handle on the screen, won this. We're going to be planner twins, and you guys, if you haven't checked out day designer, I will insert the card of my planner, but they are a game changer. I feel so organized using it. It's super simple, but it's like such a nice layout because each day has its own page, and there's like a to-do list, and then there's your schedule. So it's super helpful, especially for school or if you just have a busy life, because I like to use my day designer as like my social life, but also like my social media, Kellyprepster, which does have a lot of behind the scenes work, so there's always a to-do list to do. So it's super helpful. And then I use my Lilly Pulitzer planner for school, but I'm super excited to get this one out. If you guys want to check them out, because they do have amazing planners, I will have them listed down below. But those are the 2 giveaway winners. Like I said already, I'm going to be having more giveaways soon, so stay tuned for that. But I just can't thank you guys enough for entering and following me along. You guys are seriously so amazing. I'm going to be ending the vlog, so I hope you guys had a great weekend, and if you're starting school soon like me, I hope you have the best first day ever, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye guys!